Hello viewers, I am an engineer Ayaz Ahmad. My today's video will be based on the magnetic contactor. Let's begin. So a magnetic contactor is a device which is being used to open and close, means it is used to off and on the electricity. So mostly this is being used in the motor control circuits. Now I come across an important point. Magnetic contactor is mostly used in industries. The testing of a magnetic contactor is easy. Just use a multimeter. Connect the probes at the terminals. If you will find some resistance displayed on multimeter, then it will be normally close contact. And if the resistance will be shown nothing or zero on your multimeter, then it will be normally open contact. After on the running condition of our circuit, the normally open contact will become close and the normally close will become open after in the operating condition. So this is a key concept, and we are using it to prevent the burning. If we will not use the magnetic contact, then our electrical load or other equipments like electrical loads, motor and other will damage. So that's why to prevent them we could use magnetic contactor. Thank you so much, viewers.